Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video we will study about the function and advantages of irrigation system. Okay, but in last video we already study about the different types of irrigation, necessity of irrigation, and some basic concepts about the irrigation. Okay, so I first recommend please see the first video. Okay, and I will keep those video link in description box, so you can go to description box and you can simply see this video first. Okay, then you can see what is the function and advantages of irrigation system, then you can easily understand. Okay, that's why I will provide the link of this video in description box. Okay, you can simply visit from there. Okay, and in this video we will study about the function, and this is also, we can say that this is the advantages of irrigation system. So basically in this we will study about the different six types, 6 points you can see here. Okay, and function are the mainly study in the function and advantage all covers in this 6 points. So let's see one by one. You can see here in first number, this is the yield of crops. In yield of crops, in the process of low rainfall or drought, the yield of crop may increase by irrigation system. This is the yield of crops. It means simply the process of low rainfall and or drought, the yield of crop may be increased by the irrigation system. This is called yield of crops. And second one is protection from famine. The main advantage and function of irrigation is the protection from famine. The food production of country can be improved by ensuring the growth of crop. Okay, so the production of food in the entire country, the production of crops can be increased by ensuring the growth of different types of crops, by availability the irrigation facility and providing the proper irrigation system. And availability and providing the irrigation facility, this helps a country to prevent famine situation. Okay, so this is the main advantage of irrigation system, to protect from famine. And third one is improvement in crops. Irrigation helps to improve the cultivation of crops like vegetables, fruits, tobacco, etc. And the main advantage of irrigation, it improves the production of crops. Okay, and improve in S crops. So it helps to improvement the cultivation of different types of vegetable, fruits, tobacco, etc. And fourth one is property of farmers. Property of farmers. When the supply of irrigation water is assured, the farmers can grow more than the two crops in a year. But as we know, simply the farmers grow mainly two crops in the year. Okay, in summer season one crops, and in another season another types of crop. But whenever we provide the proper types of irrigation, then the farmer can improve the different types of crop production. Okay, and more than two types of crop can be grow off, and production will be increased rapidly by the providing of the proper irrigation system. So the property of the farmers, when supply of irrigation water is assured, the farmers can grow more than two crops in a year on the same land. The farmers may earn money and improve their living standard. And after the production is increases, the economy of the farmers is increasing, and living standard and earning of money is simply increases. Okay, so this is also one of the most advantages of irrigation system. And fifth one is hydroelectric power generation. In some river valley projects In some rivers such as valley projects, multi-purpose reservoirs are formed by constructing high dams. For the hydroelectric power generation, we must construct different types of dam. Okay, where hydroelectric power may be generated along with the irrigation system, and the hydroelectric power generation can be generated with the help of irrigation system. So basically, we have two types of work. Whenever we made the proper uh, dam for the proper way of irrigation, proper, so we can use those water for the irrigation system as well, and also for the hydroelectric power generation. So this is all about the hydroelectric power generation. Then sixth one is water supply. Irrigation canal may be the source of water supply for domestic and industrial purpose, and the water supply may be used for the domestic as well industrial purpose. Okay, so this is also the advantages of irrigation system. So this is all about advantages and function, you can say, function of irrigation system. Okay, and next video we will study about disadvantages of irrigation. So let's see this also in this video. What are the disadvantages of irrigation? Increases pollution. Irrigation may increases pollution. It increases water logging, outbreak of waterborne disease, and high investment. It requires, for the irrigation system, it requires high investment. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. So let's see one by one. First one is the main disadvantage of irrigation: increases the pollution. Groundwater contamination by nitrate from urea through seepage irrigation, wells, tube wells, etc. causes different diseases like anemia, and whenever we use pesticides, insecticides, cause environment pollution. Okay, whenever we use different types of pesticides, in insecticides in the land, it causes different types of pollution. Okay, and water resource may get contamination. So that's why our irrigation may provided irrigation increases the pollution. And second one is main advantage is water logging. Due to over irrigation, the water is logged for long time. Due to poor aeration in root zone, reduce crop yield. Okay, and due to water logging, there is decreasing in the production of the crops. Okay, so due to water logging, the production of crops may decreases. And you can see here, over irrigation, the water is logged for the long time, and the water logged for a long time, due to this, the due to poor aeration in root zone, reduced crop yield. Okay, so this is about water irrigation, and one main advantages of irrigation is also water logging. And third one is outbreak of waterborne disease. When continuous water is supplied in agricultural land, due to colder and damper climate, it will be the place for the shelter for breeding of mosquitoes and bacteria. Okay, so this will be shelter for the breeding of mosquito and bacteria. So this is about the outbreak of waterborne disease. And fourth one is high investment. As I already discussed, for the development of irrigation, it requires a very high amount of cost. Okay, and it's gonna high investment, it's require high investment for the providing irrigation. So processing and supplying irrigation is complex, and this is the complex process, and this is very expensive in itself. So it is high investment, and it requires process and supplying different types of irrigation, complex and expensive. So this is all about the disadvantage of irrigation. I hope you guys will understand easily. Okay, if you have any queries, please comment down below, and please do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Okay, and in next video we will study about the status and irrigation development of Nepal, and simply you can say this is the history of irrigation development in Nepal. Okay, so till the time, stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a regular update. Thank you very much. See you in next video.